Hello everyone, my name is Vargas Putra Alfianto. My student identification number is 642411950. I'm from class 641A06. This is my opinion about Indonesia's match against Bahrain. This match was held on October 10, 2024, last month in the 2026 World Cup qualifying round, which ended in a 2-2 draw. There is a quite deep disappointment in the hearts of Indonesian national team supporters. This match was led by referee Ahmad Alkaf, but there was a tendency towards the referee because he was too partial to the Bahrain national team. Why is this an annoyance for Indonesian national team supporters? Because of the unfair treatment of the referee's decision, such as first, there was a foul committed by the Bahraini player against the Indonesian player, but it was not considered as a foul by the referee Ahmed Alkaf. But when the Bahraini player was fouled by the Indonesian player, the referee immediately gave a free kick to the Bahrain national team. This was very annoying for the Indonesian players and also the Indonesian national team supporters. And the second is that there is additional time that exceeds the specified time. The match should have finished in the 90 plus 6 minutes, but the referee added 3 more minutes and it was used as momentum for the Bahrain national team for score. When the time was already showing 90 plus 9 minutes, Bahraini player scored a goal, which made the match a draw with a score of 2-2. The match was finished after the Bahraini player scored. This referee's decision certainly disappointed the Indonesian national team players and also the supporters of the Indonesian national team. Indonesian supporters are prejudiced that there is a bribery action carried out by the Bahraini officials against the referee who lead because the president of the Asian Football Confederation or AFC is from Bahrain, Sheikh Salman bin Ibrahim Al Khalifa, and that's where Indonesian supporter directly related to the bribery case carried out by the AFC president. This protest letter was also directly sent by the Indonesian Football Federation or PSSI to AFC as the All Asian Football Federation. The letter contained the decision of the referee, which was considered unfair to the Indonesian national team. Reportedly, now referee Ahmed Alkaf and 2 other referees have been summoned by the AFC, and if guilty, they will be given severe sanction, namely suspension until the end of the sports season in Asia. Maybe that's enough for my opinion on the match Indonesian national team against the Bahrain national team. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Vargas Putra Alfianto. My student identification number is 642411950. I'm from class 641A06 and my absent number is 53. Now we're already in task 2 and now I'm going to present about simple present. What is simple present? Simple present is a sentence that we use on our daily activities to explain the activities we do routinely and also to explain the activities we are currently doing. There is so many functions of simple present and how to use it is very easy. And what function of simple present? The function of a simple present is to express an absolute truth, a habit that is carried out continuously or consistently, command or instruction, and also there is fixed schedules. We will learn the functions of these functions one by one. Number 1, express an absolute truth. What is absolute truth? Absolute truth is something whose truth is definitely known by people. For example, rivers drain water or the contents of volcanoes are lava. And number 2, habit that is carried out continuously. What is habit that is done continuously? This is shown in what we usually do on a daily basis. Examples are, I go to campus every Monday and Thursday, or I study English every Wednesday. 3. Command or instruction. What is command or instruction? Instructions are often on street command boards or on a daily basis. Examples are, don't turn around here, or close that window. Number 4, fixed schedules. What is fixed schedules? Fixed schedules are activities that have been scheduled or activities that are certain to happen. Example are, courses on Monday start at 9:10 a.m. or the seminar will start at 11 a.m. Present tense formula. In making the present tense, there is a formula that must be understood because there is a subject along with to be and also the verb. This is very important to understand so as not to make a mistake in making present tense sentence. So, for subject, I used to be am and verb do, or verb without the suffix x, s, or es. As for plural subjects, such as you, they, we, used to be are, and verb do, verbs without suffix s or es. And the last is a single subject, such as he, she, it. Used to be is and verb does, or ends in verb s or es. Simple present tense formula for noun sentences. A noun sentence is a sentence that states materiality. It can be in the form of the name of a person, a place, and everything that is objectified. The predicate is to be, is, am, are. Maybe you will ask why to be, is, am, are. This is because some simple present is a form of sentence that indicates events that occur in the present. For noun sentences, there are 4 types of sentence forms, namely positive, negative, interrogative, and interrogative with WH questions. Positive form in the form of noun sentences. In the form of positive sentences, there is also a formula, namely subject, to be, complement. To be consists of is, am, are, and its use depends on the subject, while complement consists of noun, adverb, and adjective, depending on the sentence. Examples are, she is very beautiful. I am smart. We are going to the cafe. Negative form in the form of noun sentences. This negative sentence indicates a denial. The formula is subject, to be, not, and complement. Of course, this is different from the positive form earlier, because here there is an additional not. An example is, she is not beautiful. I am not smart. We are not going to a cafe. Interrogative form in the form of noun sentences. In this interrogative sentence is a sentence in the form of a question. The formula is to be, subject, complement, and question mark. Example is she beautiful? Am I smart? Are we going to a cafe? Interrogative form with WH question. And the last one is an interrogative sentence with WH question. Maybe you will ask, what is the difference with the interrogative sentence earlier? The difference is that this interrogative form uses WH question, such as what, why, when, where, who, whom, whose, which, and how. The formula of the sentence is WH question, to be, subject, and question mark. Examples are, who is that girl? Where am I? And why are you late? Simple present formula pattern for verb sentences. A verb sentence is a sentence that states an action that occurs. So the predicate is in the form of a verb. The verb that must be used is verb 1, because simple present is an event in the present, so verb 1 is the right verb. Just like nouns, verbs also have 4 types of sentences, namely positive, negative, interrogative, and interrogative with WH question. Positive form. In this positive sentence, there is a pattern, but it is different from the positive sentence that it is in the noun sentence material. The formula is subject, verb 1 or verb 1 plus SES, and complement. If the subject is I, you, they, we, and plural subject, use verbs without the S or ES suffix. If the subject is he, she, it, and singular object, use a verb ending in S or ES. Examples are, I write a letter for my teacher, and he goes to campus. Negative form. This negative sentence also has a different formula from the negative sentence in the noun sentence material. The formula is subject, do or does, not, verb 1, and complement. But still, yes, if the negative sentence has the word not to express denial. Examples are, I do not write a letter to my teacher, and they does not go to campus. Interrogative form. In this interrogative sentence, the formula is do or does, subject, verb 1, complement, and question mark. Of course, in interrogative sentence there is a sign of question mark because here the context is asking. Example are, does he bring the book? Or do you like the food? Interrogative form with WH question. And the last of these materials is the interrogative form with WH question. The formula is WH question, do or does, subject, verb 1, and complement, and question mark. Just like in the noun sentence material because WH question is placed at the beginning before to be. Examples are, when does she go to school? Why do you love football so much? And that's enough for my presentation. If there are still many mistakes, please forgive me. Thank you.